Okay, literal equations example problems. I'll be doing 5 and 8. So we look at number 5. It's asking to solve for x. This is x. It's right here. We look at what's next to x. We have a -3 and a plus 2c. So from your notes, you'll remember that we're going to deal with addition and subtraction first, and then deal with multiplication and division. So a plus 2c means I'm going to subtract 2c from both sides. Plus 2c minus 2c makes a 0. -3 and -2c are not like terms, so we're going to put them right next to each other. Now to get the x by itself, we're going to divide by this -3 here that's in front of the x, because -3x is multiplication, and the inverse operation for multiplication is division. So over here I'm going to write divide by -3 twice, because we do need to divide everything by -3 because of the distributive property. -3 divided by -3 is 1, which is what we want. Over here, -3 divided by -3 is 1. We're going to write it down because there's no variable next to it. And the only thing that happens with this fraction is that a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so we're going to rewrite it as 2c over 3. Now that x is by itself, we're done. So for number 8, we're looking for A. A's right here. What do we have? We have a plus B and an m on top of a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite this as z equals b plus m times 1 over a. And that's going to help me figure out what exactly my inverse operations are. So for positive b, I'm going to subtract b from both sides. Z and b are not like terms, so I'm writing them next to each other. So here we have m times 1 over a, and the inverse operation for multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by m. So we're almost there, but what you'll see is that a is alone-ish, but it's in the denominator, and we weren't asked for 1 over a, we were asked for a. So the way that we do this is to cross multiply and then divide by a again, but all you really need to do is flip both fractions. So we're just going to rewrite this as m over z minus b equals a. Now that a is by itself, we're all finished.